How to change your basic account information on Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can change your basic account information on Yelp. So changing your basic account information is the same thing as editing your and customizing your Yelp profile and public appearance. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Yelp account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, the next step is to access your account settings by moving to the lower part of the screen where you can see some options such as search, projects, me, collections, more. Then you click on the me option. After clicking on the me option, you'll be taken to the main page where you can see your profile. So where once you can see a profile, the next thing to do is to change your profile photo. If you don't have a profile photo, and to change it, just click on the profile icon here, then select an image you'd like to use. And also, you can also update your first and last name. You can choose a nickname. You can also add other personal details like the last book you read, your favorite movie, your food. We can add a food photo and all of that. And then once you're done, click on save changes, and then just like that, your basic account information would be changed. Okay, and then it will be customized. So this is how it goes. This is how you can go about this on the Yelp's account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.